If your iPhone feels smarter than your computer, you're not dreaming. It's Apple's AI magic. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants. But here's the scoop. Apple's AI is on another level. Their secret weapon? The Neural Engine. This little genius lives inside your favorite Apple devices, making them faster and smarter. Think of it as the brain behind Siri, Face ID, and even those amazing photography tricks. Apple's AI isn't just about cool gadgets. It's revolutionizing industries like healthcare, with advanced diagnostics and transportation, with smarter navigation. The possibilities are endless. So next time you use your iPhone, remember, it's not just a phone. It's a glimpse into the future of AI, powered by Apple. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.